Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen. My name is Yemi and this is Yemi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple fruit tray. It's just a simple fruit tray that you can use during festival mood, maybe during Christmas, Thanksgiving, when you have a house party, or even if you have like a barbecue. You just use some of the fruits you have at home or the ingredients you have at home to just make a quick fruit tray. It's just like a charcuterie board, but it's just a fruit tray that you can make. It doesn't have to be professional. So let me show you how I make my quick fruit tray. So right now I have a silver tray, which is what I'll be putting all these things in. First, I'm going to place my chocolate dip. This chocolate dip is already in a ramekin. I've melted the chocolate. So this is my chocolate sauce, and we're going to use it as a dip. Then I have the caramel sauce dip, and I have the cheese vegetable dip here. So I'm going to put my fruit like this. I'll start layering the fruits. Like I said, I'm going to use what I have at home. So let's start with the grapes. I have the red grapes, which I was going to put here. Then I have the green grapes, which I'm going to layer it. Just try to put it as, let your eye guide you and try to place it as balanced as possible. Then I'm going to use some nuts, some almonds, and some pistachios. So, like I said, this is my red grapes. Then I'm going to use my green grapes here. And I'm going to place my baby carrots right here. My sliced cucumber, I'm going to put them in, they're already sliced in a round form, and I'm going to put them in a round piles all over this tray. I've already diced my zucchini, they're cubed. So I'm going to put my zucchini here, they're very, very crunchy. I love that to be dipped in the cheese sauce. I really love that. It tastes yummy. So I'm going to put it on this side as much as possible. Then I'm going to put my green apple and my oranges, which are sliced, on this white square plate on top of this ramekin that I'm going to use to hold it. Just fill the tray up as you like it, and let your eye guide you. It's not that bad, it's easy. As long as you get your fruits together before this, you're fine. Now I'm going to put my pistachio right here, then my almonds. So this is eye-pleasing. It's finally completed. This is really nice. I'm done with these fruit trays. Fruit trays are easy to do. The first thing is to get the fruits, wash them, and make sure you prepare them before you start placing them in your trays or on your charcuterie board. So this is completed. So if you like this and you create this, make sure you tag me on my social media. Thank you for staying with me while I do this. Thank you for tuning into Yemi's Kitchen. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and bang or press the notification bell so that anytime when I do anything or when I upload any episode, you will see it. Thank you so much. Don't forget, Yemi's Kitchen, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. I love you. Mwah. See you in my next episode. Yemi's.